Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to bake a white forest cake, and we're going to get right into it. So the first step is to lay out all your ingredients, and then from there we're going to get into the baking process. If you don't have parchment paper, you could always dust the baking tin with flour. Make sure you mix the flour properly to avoid getting lumps. Tap the baking tin on the counter a few times to get rid of air bubbles. Remember, the oven was preheated at 180 degrees, so you won't change that setting. You'll just place it in the oven for 45 minutes and leave it to bake. To know that your cake is done, you will insert a toothpick in the cake, and when the toothpick comes out clean, meaning there's no cake batter on it, then it's ready. To tell if your whipped cream is ready for use, you're going to dip a spoon in the mixture and then lift the spoon up and tilt it. If the whipped cream falls off, it's not ready, but if the whipped cream stays on the spoon, then it's ready for use. We applied some cake at the bottom of the cake board to prevent it from moving while we were decorating it. Disclaimer, this was our first time decorating a cake. I know this is a tutorial, but this was our first time decorating a cake. But at least it shows you if we can get it, you can get it. Anybody can get it. So this is how the cake turned out. We were actually really impressed with it for a first time trial. Feel free to try it out. If you have any question, comment down below. I will answer. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.